Hi, my name is Sarah Jane Domingo. You can call me SJ, and I'm looking for a job. And I know that your good company has a hiring position for accountant, and I would like to apply on that position or whichever your good company might offer that might suit my needs and might suit my capabilities and skills. I finished financial accounting at Universidad de Manila way back 2014, and then I started working at Emperador Distillery where I was able to sharpen my knowledge and skills regarding accounts payable as we handle general accounting, accounts payable end to end. We also contact the supplier, we reach them out, ask them and inform them regarding the payments, update them for the status, and then from the Emperador Distillery, I also handle taxes in Emperador Philippine Taxes as this is a local account. I moved to IBM. At IBM, I was handling UK account, and then at that scenario, I was able to sharpen my skills in communication because I was still under accounts payable. However, I was able to answer queries regarding the certain payments or queries from vendor regarding their payments and queries from requestor asking the status of their orders. And then from them, I moved to Accenture. It's just a short working in Accenture, and I also handle invoices or accounts payable. From Accenture, I moved to WNS. In WNS, it has a sort of different process. It's quite indeed different. We do process invoice posting, we do process payments, we do process reconciliation, vendor reconciliation, intercompany reconciliation, account reconciliation, and bank checking. And then, I handle three countries back then. I handle Thailand, I handle Malaysia, and I handle ANZ. ANZ is particularly Australia, New Zealand. We counted it as one country because they have the same process and procedure. While for Thailand and Malaysia, it's a different countries. They have different approach, but I was able to manage it. I may be lacking in some areas of billing and accounts receivable aspect, but I know I can learn on that. And then from there, I moved to Buyer Business Services Philippines Inc. I work there as order processing. We do process order requisition, convert it to purchase order. We do follow up the delivery of the item. We do follow up the status of their order and seek assistance if payments are needed urgently. And then while working there, I had a part-time job at accounting firm of Wanya and Partner CPA. I was an accounting associate there, but I mainly handle bookkeeping. I handle there, I believe it's 15 to 17 accounts. I handle their taxation, I file them EWT, monthly, quarterly taxation, and I worked there for almost a year. Our system that we use there is QuickBooks. So for a year, I was handling QuickBooks and I was also have some knowledge in Xero. Then while working there, I'm still working at Buyer. Then after a year, in the position of associate, I was promoted in the senior associate position. In the Buyer, we do process overbooking, price mismatch, SAP release, checking, and so on and so forth. It's still in the conversion of PR to PO, meaning purchase requisition, converting it to purchase order. Also for the amendments regarding they wanted to have some amendments for their order, yes, we also do handle that. And then after a year also in that position, I got promoted once again in the expert role. What my primarily task there is to audit the converted purchase order that my colleagues are doing and also to check if they are following and adhering to the standard procedures that we are implementing. While working at Buyer, I also have another part-time at that moment and I do invoicing and billing. What I do is I send emails to our clients asking the billing status or providing them the billing and asking for the payment status of the billed invoices. So yeah, I was able to do that for 6 months. It was just a part-time job. And then the client wanted an employee that is working, what do I mean is locally. So she moved to a local employee. So yeah. So that's it. So why do I think I am fit on this position? Because I do believe that my perseverance and my open-mindedness will help me, will be a big contribution on this opportunity that you are providing. Aside of that, I also have quite experience. I also have accumulatively 8 years of experience in accounting, broadly from intercompany reconciliation, accounts payable, accounts receivable, order confirmation, purchase requisition, purchase order conversion, and following of orders from supplier. I also have experience regarding reaching out to vendors for delivery. And I also have a small experience, not quite long experience, but it's experience for asking or billing our customer and our clients and asking for payments. I also do file the taxes of my client at that time. So yeah, thank you for taking time to watch my recording and have a great day ahead. God bless and stay safe. Bye for now.